How to create such an infographic image using Canva? It's simple with just a few steps. Open Canva and create a new custom design with 1500 by 1500 pixels. Upload your close-up portrait photo and drag it onto the canvas. Place it following the idea. Next, go to the Elements section and choose a circle frame. Place the circle over the desired area approximately in the center of the image. Now drag inside the circle second photo. In this case, it represents the illustration of skin layers. Next, using the text section, add text that follows the idea and shares important information about the product benefits. Add smaller text below the image to highlight additional information. Once you like the location of all elements, click on the portrait photo, choose Edit, and apply a ready preset in Canva to finish the design look. As a final touch, add a circle shape to add a bigger circle around the first one. Export the image in JPG or PNG format and upload it on Amazon, Pinterest, or another platform to attract clients and sell your product.